Ravi, guys. You guys know the name of the restaurant? He's looking it up. Yeah. Yahya, do you remember?
You sure about that?
What this is. So this is an elevator. Let me open this a second. So when you have the weight, you take the weight down. Sorry, it's a bit tangled. But
Okay, I don't know where to go with that.
Well, I mean, I don't know how you did it, but
Oh, that is good.
Cassandra, she's getting us water. 45-pound water bottle.
I put some chocolate sauce on top. How are you? Good.
Enough.
All of it.
happy birthday, Auntie Natasha!
Happy birthday. See you later. Cat is melting.
I like chocolate.
Yeah, it's yummy.
Can I feel the cat?
Yeah, you can do it. Like cut it from in half. Yeah, exactly. Bravo.
Gently.
Good one.
Oh,
Enjoy. Thank you. Where are we, boys? Yeah, because our guide today will be Taimur. Since he's been here, he knows every art piece and everything over here. Right, Taimur? Yeah. Yeah, that. Just take it.
Okay, I actually have tears.
That's a bridge in a lily pond. It's when Baba was growing up, they was his favorite artist. Last one, they get this, they win. They go through. They go through. Boom. They just won. They just went through. England, no matter. How do it? England goes through. England goes through. Where are you going? Leave the road, please. Leave the road, please. Yeah, that's right.
Championships. Not sure anyone wants to decide who's calling the toss of the coin.
Two more championship points. Oof. Oof. Thank you. That was close. That was alive. That's for all of you.
Ottoman العثماني. It's pretty fun. Oh wow, look at these funky ones. I know, look at this.
What are you looking at, Rack? On cloud. Very funky. Look how it moves. Wait, stop, why? Oh, no, now it's going. Taymur, Yahya? No comments? We are in the heart of the British government and the British monarchy from 1066 till now.
So why we waiting for someday? Why we waiting for someday?
Sky Garden. Going up to Sky Garden. Yeah, you're not here. No. So Faye, tell me, why do we love Sumayya so much?
She got me my best birthday gift, a portable bidet.
Introducing us to a portable bidet. Thank you, Sumayya, darling.